esteemed guests, and concerned citizens of our planet. Today we stand at a precipice, on the brink of a health crisis unlike anything we've faced before.
The climate change crisis is not merely a distant threat, melting ices, prolonged drought, and rising tides. It's a palpable reality: extreme heat, rising temperature, deteriorating mental health and the well-being.
In the face of rising temperatures, it is crucial that we recognize extreme heat is not merely uncomfortable, it is lethal, and not only for the most vulnerable. Even young, healthy people are falling ill from working in lethal humidity at temperatures that are no more than 90 degrees.
The climate change crisis is a daily present reality, felt most accurately by those who have contributed the least to its cause. From the heat causing kidney failure in agriculture workers and outdoor laborers to crop flaring and flooded streets of vulnerable community, the impacts are clear and devastating. We are living it today.
But there is hope. We need bold, decisive action from world leaders, from policymakers, from each and every one of you. Together, we can forge a new path forward for our health and for our planet.
Through a global solidarity and cross-sector collaboration, we can ensure that clean air, clean water, sustainable food, electricity, and economic empowerment will all be at the center of critical decision-making for the climate crisis. We demand a change.
Healthcare workers like myself are working every day on the front lines to address the health impacts stemming from our new climate realities. My fellow climate doctor, Bar Chakuri, and these medical students from around the world are wearing the same coats we put on every day, except with one exception. They are painted to illustrate the extreme effects of climate change, reminding us of the urgency to confront the climate health impacts affecting our practice. And that is why I am excited to announce a new partnership between Global Citizen and the Climate and Health Foundation. Together, we are joining forces to keep global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius with a spotlight on the health impacts of the climate emergency. We will mobilize global citizens from every corner of the globe to demand urgent action. We aim to hold leaders accountable, push for ambitious policies, and empower communities to build resilience and protect lives.
Isn't that exciting? The time to act is now. The climate crisis is weighing heavy on the shoulders of us, children and young people, burdening us with anxiety and fear for our future. How can we dream of a tomorrow if it's being destroyed today?